Hi guys, I'm on LeadsLeap right now, and I want to show you how you can trace where a sign up came from through your tracking link in LeadsLeap. Because just a while ago I got a notification in my Gmail saying that I've got a sign up on Top Dogs Rotator. So I went over to my LeadsLeap dashboard and traced it in the last 24 hours. I can detect that it was at around 7 a.m. and if I go back to my time here, 7:53 a.m. so looks just about the same time the sign up occurred. So let's go down to see where this sign up came from. So it came from Easy Traffic Builder, which I actually put a tag of this Easy Traffic TXT, and this person I'm sure came from Brunei, and with the response marked as 100%. And so let's see the response. Response here, and let's hover over here. Response is 1. So every time you get a response on your click on your link, it's probably a sign up or a action on your landing page where you have assigned your tracking link from LeadsLeap. So that's about it, and thank you for watching this video with me. Have a nice day ahead. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and look at all the other videos I have for you.